everybody? I'm here today to talk to you about a Fitbit Charge 4 with a wrist flick that is not working. I'll be going over how to fix it easily in this step-by-step tutorial. Let's get right into the video. The wrist flick is essentially when you flick up your Fitbit, okay, when it's on your wrist and you sort of raise it to wake like that and it shows you the time. If it's not working for you, this is how to fix it. I'm going to go over a few simple steps. Now, it's really not that hard, and you might think that you need your tablet or your phone, whatever device it's paired to, but you don't. It's actually all done on the Fitbit Charge 4 actual activity tracker. So, very simple and straightforward. We're going to go ahead and we're going to turn it on. We're going to wake it up, I should say, just like that, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold down on the side button to bring up your options, okay? So press and hold down on the side button, and now we have these options. If you don't see these options and you see like the Fitbit Pay, then you might have to swipe side to side to get to these options. Now it's deceiving because you think that this is the end of it, but if you scroll down, you see screen wake, and it's turned on. So that's what the option is in order to get your wrist flick screen wake to work, okay? So make sure that it's illuminated, and that allows you to know that it's turned on. If it's turned off, if it's not turned on right now, okay, then what you want to do is you want to make sure you turn it on, and that should fix the problem. So that's the first step. If it's turned off, make sure you turn it on, and it should fix the problem. If it's already turned on, what you want to do is turn it off, just like that, and then turn it back on. So sort of toggle it off and on, and then see if it works. So go back to your home screen, make sure it's locked, and then raise it and see if it works. And it should work. So that's the second thing. If it was already on, turn it off and turn it back on. And if it doesn't work, then the third thing that you can try is just a very simple reboot of the device. You can just restart the device, like literally just turn it off and turn it back on again. There are two ways to do this. The first way is a hard reset, which is very simple. You plug your device into the charger. When it's plugged into the charger, you press and hold down the side button for 8 to 10 seconds, and it should just completely turn off and turn on again. And hopefully that fixes the problem. The other way that you can do it is if you go to the settings menu over here, we go to settings, okay, you scroll down to about, and then you can see that there's an option to reboot device. If you reboot the device, it's gonna just turn it off and turn it back on. I'll do it right now because it's actually this is actually really quick. So it says reboot. This will restart your device. No data will be lost. So it's telling you you're not going to lose data. You're just like restarting it. So I'm going to hit the check mark to reboot it just like that. And it's just going to restart. Very simple. And hopefully that fixes the problem. That's the third thing. Reboot your device. So the first thing was to turn on the screen wake option. So that's rebooting, as you see. Turn on the screen wake option. That's the first thing. The second thing is if it's already on, toggle it off and then on again. Okay, and see if that works. The third thing is if neither of those work, then you want to just reboot the device, just restart the device. And that's because you might have a glitch, a software glitch, a hardware glitch, something that's going on with it. And that happens sometimes, and just restart it and reboot it, and hopefully that fixes the problem. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.